This is Nisha here, your English teacher from Mangla Vidya Mandira. Children, hope you all are doing good. So now, in the last lesson, what we have learned? In the last class, we have learned about a wonderful lesson. The name of the lesson was Wonderful Waste. Hope you all understood the lesson. And we have done the keywords as well as word meaning in the classwork. So moving to the next main. So what is the next main, children? That is about question and answer, which you have to do it in the classwork. So let's have a look, children. The very first question is, what were the preparation in the palace for? What were the preparation in the palace? For the palace, what they are doing it, like what preparation was going on? Actually, the preparation was going for a grand feast in the palace. That is the answer. Don't worry about it, children. I am sending you the PDF also along with this video, so you can copy from the PDF also those answers. Now question number 2, why did the Maharaj go into the kitchen in the afternoon? The Maharaj went to the kitchen in the afternoon. Why did he went? To survey how the cooks are doing the work, how they are doing the work, and how they are what kind of preparation they are planning for the evening. So for that purpose he has went into the kitchen to survey the dishes. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? So what was the planning the cook was having it in his mind, because there were lots of scraps, vegetable scraps were there. So what did the cook did from there? The cook planned to throw it away, because it is all vegetable scrap, vegetable left out. What they can do from that? So the cook thought, we will throw it out. Next one is, ingredients are the things that are used to make a dish. Circle the ingredients of avial in the box. So there are few ingredients given in the box, but you have to think, children, from which all ingredient we have made the dish avial. Okay, so hope you remembered. First we have used chilies, groundnut we haven't used it. Okay, so you just have to circle it, what all things you have used for making the avial. So chilies was there, of course, coconut was there, vegetable scraps, then pot, then curd, then curry leaves. We haven't used basket, nor we have used broken bangles, nor garlic, nor wood. Even roasted peanut also we have not used it. Even groundnut also we haven't used to make avial. Okay, so these are the things. Again I am repeating it: chilies, coconut, vegetable scraps, curd, pot, and curry leaves. These are the things what we have used to make avial. Moving to the next main, that is true or false. The very first one, the king had ordered a dinner in the palace. Correct. Yes, the king had ordered a dinner in the palace. Yes, it is true. Second one, no one had heard of or tasted avial before. That is also true, because nobody knows about the dish. Okay, children, one more thing I wanted to ask you here, that avial dish what we have explained, like last session I have gone through the lesson. So the avial dish is particularly made from which state? That is from Kerala state. You should always remember, especially during the festival Onam or Vishu, we used to make this important dish, because this plays a very important role. We have to make this dish, so that only the festival will be considered as a we have enjoyed the festival, we have celebrated the festival. So it's very important to cook this avial dish. Now moving to the next main, the cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. No, the cook doesn't had any plan, because he wanted to throw the dish away. The next main is page number 15. A recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. The following sentences are not in order for preparing avial. Number them in the correct order. So there are few sentences what they have given which is not in the order. It's a method actually how to prepare avial, but it is not in the order. So children, we have to put it in the order. So the very first thing is what? Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Bits means pieces, left out pieces. Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Second one is cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Number 3, grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Number 4, decorate with curry leaves. Number 5, whip some curd and mix it. Number 6, pour some coconut oil on top of that curry. Okay, top of that avial. So finally the avial is ready. That is number 7. Given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. So here also there are few things which are given in the box, children. So you have to go through that and you have to place it in an order, in a correct form, in a correct order you have to place it out. Like in the box it is written: pack school bag, read a story book, sleep for a while, do the homework, go to play, put away school bag, have lunch, chat with mama about school, wash up, watch TV, change out of school uniform. So the very first thing is what? I put away school bag. So very first thing is what? Put away school bag. Second thing is change out of school uniform. The very second thing what you will do, you will change out of school uniform. You will freshen yourself. You will change the school uniform. Then you will wash up. Then I have a lunch. After that I have a lunch. Then finally I sleep for a while. Okay, finally what you will do, you will sleep for a while. Okay, after that what will happen? What you will do, you will watch TV. You will watch TV for some more time. Then again you will do homework. Okay, and you will go to play. The night you will have dinner. So you have to put all these things in a order. Okay, so children, this you will try to do by yourself and post it in the group how you have done it. I just want to see. This is also a homework for you. The next main is let's talk. The Maharaja was a wise man and ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them away. Name some of the things which are thrown away at home or in the school. Sit in a group of 4 and think of interesting ways in which they can be made useful. Put up your findings on the classboard. So children, this activity, when the school will open, we will do it in a group. See like what we can do from the left out things. So this thing we will be doing it in the school. Next main is word building. Pair work. Okay, some words have more than one meaning. Okay, for example, meaning noun, a dot in printing or writing, full stop, decimal, the number you score in the game. Verb, to show or call attention to something. So children, there are few words which is given below where you have to find a noun, verb, adverb, adjective, what all things will be there that you need to find it out. The first one is ground. So the noun for ground is surface of the earth. What is meant by ground, children? Surface. Okay, the surface of the earth is called ground. Now the verb for this, okay, the verb is like past tense of grind. So the past tense of grind is what? Ground. I have grinded a peanut masala. I have grinded a peanut in the mixture. I have already grounded the peanut in the mixture to make a powder. Grind means to make a powder. Second is survey. Survey means what? A general look, okay, to examine something. So noun is a general look. Next one is verb is related to this, examine. So you are examining something, you are surveying something. Then next one is scrap, that is left out. Scrap means left out thing which we are not in using. Next one is sternly. Sternly means what? Adverb of sternly is strictly, very strict, very stern. His behavior is very stern, his behavior is very strict. Next one is tempting. Tempting means inducing somebody. Like I got a very tasty food. I had a very tasty. Keep on describing about the food means you are tempting others. You are inducing others by explaining the taste of your food what you had. Okay. So moving on to the next main is scrap means a waste of material. I already told you. And verb is discard as useless. So moving to the next main, children, this you have to do it in the classwork. I have given in the PDF also. Moving to the next main, make new words by adding or dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. So now here, children, there are 4 columns, okay, where we have to use add ed, ing, er or est. So now every word we can't add ed, ing or er or est. Only there are few words where we can add these letters. So we need to find it out which all words we can add it, correct? So the first one is pound. So you can add pounded, correct? You can say pounded. Pounding also you can say, but pounder you can't say. Er you can't add. In the same way est also, poundest also you can't say. That doesn't have any meaning for that. That word doesn't have any meaning. The next one is try. Okay, so try can be tried. It can be trying. but it is not trier nor it is triest. Okay, so again there are only two words which we can make it tried and trying. Next one is large. So larged we can't say, children. Larging also we can't say, but larger we can say here. We can use the er word and say larger, at the same time est, largest. Okay, so from large neither we can make ed nor we can make ing. We can only use larger as well as largest. Next one is new. So from new we can make newer or newest. Again er and est can be added to this particular word. Next one is tasty. So tasted and tasting. Yes, okay. Tasted we can say. Tasting also we can say. Even in tastier, the food is very tastier. That also we can say. Tastiest. The food is among, the avial is among tastiest food among all the dishes in Kerala. That also we can say. Now the next one is wise. So wised we can't say, wising we can't say, but we can always say wiser. You can add er word and say wiser or wisest. Next one is stare. So of course yes, we can say stared, staring, but we can't say starer or starest. That doesn't make any sense. So we will be using only two words here, that is stared and staring. The next and the last one is cleaned and cleaning, cleaner, cleanest. All the four words can be used here. I am repeating again, children. Cleaned, cleaning, cleaner and cleanest. So this you have to write it in the classwork notebook. Do any of these words, use all of four endings. Find out, name food that is made in your home. So this is an activity which you can try it by yourself. Like some food you have already done it, you have made in your home. So how to do it? Like when you are unwell, what kind of food you would like to have. For a festival, what kind of food you make. And every day what kind of food your mom is going to make for you. So this you can share it with your friends, or you can share it with your parents also. Like what kind of food you like, what kind of food you make. Avial is a dish made in Kerala, correct. So these are the things which you have to do it in the textbook only. Till the second main you have to do it in the classwork. Children, hope you understood the exercise. Along with this video I am sending you the PDF of all the details given in the textbook. So you have to just go through the PDF, note it down clearly, properly you have to write it down. And this activity, as I told you, that second page number 15th, that you have to do it by yourself, like step by step how to do it, like packing of school bag or putting away the school bag, having lunch, read a story book. These things you have to do it by yourself. I just given a highlight to you. Hope you understood, children. And if you have any doubts, you can post it in the group. And be prepared for assessment test, which is going to start from 21st September. So just go through the lesson carefully, read each and every sentence in the lesson, because that is MCQ type questions what I am going to give it to you. So you have to be thorough with the lessons. Don't only go with the question answer or like exercise thing. You have to read each and every sentence from the lesson also. So children, take care of yourself. Till then, thank you.